loose motion with stomach pain. Your kitchen holds the first line of defense. Start simple with warm herbal teas that soothe your gut and ease cramps gently. Asterisk ginger tea calms an upset stomach fast. Boil a few slices. Sip slowly. It reduces inflammation and relieves spasms in your digestive tract. Bananas are rich in potassium, helping restore lost electrolytes. They're easy to digest and perfect for settling your stomach after frequent bathroom trips. Stick to the BRAT diet. Bananas, rice, applesauce, toast. Plain white rice is gentle, binding, and a trusted home remedy for loose motion recovery. Applesauce adds pectina-soluble fiber that firms up loose stools. Choose unsweetened, natural versions to avoid irritating your gut further. Plain toast absorbs stomach acids and gives your tummy a break. No butter, no jam, just dry toast for gentle recovery. Yogurt with live cultures replenishes the good bacteria. In your gut, probiotics help reset your digestive balance, especially after diarrhea. Boil cumin seeds in water for a homemade gut tonic. Jeera water reduces bloating, controls loose motion, and calms stomach pain. Mint leaves fight stomach cramps and ease digestion. Crush a few, steep in hot water, and sip for fast-acting herbal relief. Fenugreek seeds soaked overnight. They work wonders. Swallow them with yogurt. They're rich in mucilage, which slows down loose motion naturally. Pomegranate seeds are an age-old Ayurvedic remedy. Their antioxidants and astringents help tighten up your stool and reduce stomach pain. Chamomile tea is a gentle sedative for the gut. It reduces inflammation and helps you relax while your body recovers from discomfort. Loose motion means fluid loss. Sipors, coconut water, or electrolyte drinks, often to stay hydrated and avoid weakness or dizziness. A pinch of turmeric in warm water is a natural antibacterial drink. It tackles gut infections and eases intestinal swelling gently. Ajwain seeds boiled in water helps with indigestion and stomach pain. Sip it warm. It also helps release trapped gas. Boiled green bananas are rich in resistant starch, which firms stool. They're a perfect food to eat as your gut heals. Buttermilk, with a pinch of salt and roasted cumin, is a traditional probiotic fix. It soothes inflammation and rebuilds healthy gut flora. Don't ignore rest. Your body needs downtime to heal your gut. Avoid stress, lie down, and let your system restore naturally. Coconut water is nature's electrolyte solution. It hydrates, calms stomach lining, and gives quick energy without any added sugar or chemicals. Say no to greasy, spicy, or fried food while recovering. They irritate the gut and can restart loose motion before full recovery. Good hygiene helps prevent the spread of infection. Wash your hands often, especially before meals and after using the restroom. Always boil water or use filtered sources. During a stomach upset, contaminated water is one of the biggest causes of recurring loose motion. Papaya contains enzymes that aid digestion and reduce bloating. Eat ripe slices to help settle your stomach and speed up recovery. Rice water is a forgotten remedy. The starch in it soothes your gut lining and keeps you hydrated, perfect during active diarrhea. Clear vegetable soup or broth provides warmth and minerals. Skip the spices, just let your digestive system take it slow and simple. Clove boiled in water? Yep, it works. This spice has antibacterial power and relieves intestinal gas and pain. Fennel seed water is perfect after meals. It settles the stomach, reduces bloating, and freshens breath all at once. Soaked coriander seeds can cool the digestive system. Drink the strained water early in the morning for a calm, pain-free belly. Ayurveda recommends simple, consistent remedies. A mix of herbs like bale fruit, nutmeg, and isabgol can stabilize and support gut health. A mild dose of honey and lemon in warm water helps clean the system. Just don't overdo it. Keep it gentle and spaced. Gentle clockwise tummy massages ease cramps and gas. It's an old trick, but when done lightly, it can work wonders for relief. Avoid regular milk. If you're lactose sensitive, it can worsen symptoms. Stick to curd or lactose-free alternatives while healing. Stress affects your stomach more than you think. Try deep breathing, meditation, or a short nap. Your gut needs your calmness too. If symptoms last more than 3 days or worsen, see a doctor. Chronic diarrhea could be a sign of infection or something more serious. Eat smaller, frequent meals instead of heavy portions. It's easier on your digestive system and helps avoid sudden cramps or motion. A dry toast with banana makes a powerful recovery combo. Light binding,